Alrighty, thought I'd give you a taste of what it's like to go riding in the Baja. I live in Cabo San Lucas. I'm 15 minutes from my door, riding on stuff like this. I'm gonna go for a rip and just see what I can find. Alrighty, which way? This way straight ahead looks pretty fun, so I'm gonna go that way. Over those bad boys. This is fun as fuck. Where are we going? What it's all about, people. It's all about. Which way do I go? That way looks a bit non-existent. I guess I'm going this way. Ow, broken wrist. Ow. Whew, I broke my wrist, pretty good. That's a massive bummer. I'm gonna lie down in the shade because I'll probably pass out soon. Ooh, oh, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh my God, this sucks. Deep breaths, positive vibes. That fucking sucked. Oh, the GoPro's cracked and everything. Fuck me. Oh, my wrist is so fucked. Okay. Hopefully the phone's intact. Yes, you're right. Call Scotty. Hey, mate, I might need your help. Mate, I've just had a crash and it's broken my wrist real bad. Not too far from your house, but I can't really get there. My wrist is pretty bad. I can't move the bike, it's just laying down. I turned the gas off. I'm just kind of having a lie down. But are you like in town or do I call somebody else? I can probably call Pete. I'll ping you my location in the map, just so you've got it. What's up, Instagram and Facebook? I'm just out the back of Cabo. Had a crash on my dirt bike. My wrist is kinked. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kinked. So my wrist is pretty badly broken. Hopefully someone's on the way. I spoke to a buddy, Pete, who's hopefully coming out here. I can hear a razor coming past, but I'm not too far from Cabo. Hopefully someone can come pick me up and figure this shit out. How to fix this fucking wrist, because it's pretty bad shape. Wish me luck. This is why you don't ride alone. Just get fucked up. Yeah, razor's coming. You. Hey, slow down, slow down, slow down. Looks like some good Samaritans here. Turned up in a razor. Just put it anywhere you can stand it up. Well, sorry. Ah, shit.
You got that on video, right?
Yeah. This is why you don't ride alone, but if you've got Canadians, they'll come and rescue you. Thanks, guys.